Did you know that Earth just lived through the hottest years ever recorded in human history? Not just hot, but the kind of heat that scientists at NASA and NOAA say is rewriting climate records one after another. According to verified global temperature analyses from NASA's Goddard Institute for Space Studies and the U.S. NOAA Climate Monitoring Centers, 2023 officially became the hottest year ever measured. And early data indicates 2024 is continuing the trend, ranking extremely close or even surpassing some monthly global records. So, what actually made these years so extreme? Let's break it down. First, the planet's temperature averages have been rising for decades. But 2023 stood out sharply. Oceans reached the warmest levels ever observed. Heat waves shattered records on every continent. And sea ice in Antarctica dropped to its lowest level since measurements began. NASA scientists confirmed that the global temperature in 2023 was about 1.2 degrees Celsius warmer than the late 19th century baseline, when reliable records started. One major driver behind this spike was the unusual warming of the oceans. NOAA reported that over 90% of global warming goes into the oceans, and in 2023, they reached the highest heat content ever measured. That extra heat influenced weather patterns worldwide: stronger storms, longer heat waves, and record-breaking marine temperatures. Another factor was the arrival of El Niño, a natural climate cycle that temporarily warms parts of the Pacific Ocean. But NASA scientists repeatedly state, even without El Niño, the long-term warming trend caused by human activity is the primary driver. That's why these record years didn't come out of nowhere. They fit a pattern that's been strengthening for decades. So what does this mean for real life? Millions of people faced deadly heat, droughts destroyed crops in multiple regions, wildfires burned in places that rarely saw them before, and extreme rainfall caused devastating floods. The heat wasn't just uncomfortable, it became a real-world threat. But here's the part most people don't know. Despite the alarming data, scientists say it's still possible to limit future warming. NASA and NOAA experts emphasize that reducing greenhouse gas emissions, expanding clean energy, and restoring natural ecosystems can slow the temperature rise significantly. The future isn't fixed, but action matters. So when you hear 2023 and 2024 were the hottest years ever recorded, know this: it's not a headline, it's not an exaggeration, it's a scientific fact measured by satellites, ocean instruments, and climate analysis centers across the world. And more importantly, it's a warning from our planet that the next chapter depends on what we do now.